Welcome to the virtual summit for AR, VR, and AI 2023. It's me, Omna Ismail, and my session is about AI in the classroom. We will start our session by defining what is artificial intelligence, then what is AI in the classroom, then what are chatbots and the best prompts for using them, and finally we'll end with the best practice of AI in the classroom. So let's start with what is artificial intelligence. It's the ability of computers or other machines to simulate the human brain. In other words, these robots are trying to simulate the human intelligence. Let's ask ourselves a very important question. Do we use artificial intelligence on daily basis? Yes, we do it. Like if you open any website with a chatbot, or maybe it's about the smart assistants on my mobile phone like Google Assistant or Siri, or when you pay with your digital wallet, or using the search engines like Google or Bing or Safari, and the media streaming, especially on YouTube or SoundCloud or Spotify, when they find that you like a certain singer, so you will find the all news feed about this singer, or telling you have become a top fan of this singer. The smart cars that are using GPS for self-driving, navigation apps like GPS, facial recognitions on tablets, mobile phones, or even when you publish a post with a certain image of your friends, and the Facebook or Instagram start recognizing your friends from their faces and start tagging them without asking you or without you even write their names. And you'll get text editors like Grammarly, and we having certain option in Microsoft Words like similarity and editor, and finally the social media feeds, and has become crystal clear for all of us. If you thought about something or you just type about you love certain cupcakes, you will find all the news feeds are about cupcakes. Many teachers, since they heard about ChatGPT or AI recently, they are afraid of being replaced at schools. Unfortunately, their fears has turned to be true. Harvard University announced that they are going to replace teachers for next semester with robots, especially for teaching computer science course, telling people that it will help them to answer questions about codes and to fix errors. So, what is AI in the classroom? AI in the classroom is about any educational technology tool that the teacher uses in the classrooms or outside the classrooms to save time and effort. Maybe there are unnecessary things that teacher do it, and maybe it consume lots of time and effort, and at the same time it enhances the learning experience for the students. When first OpenAI introduced ChatGPT in the last few months, some people thought that it was the first time for us to use AI in education, or maybe AI in general. If you search or Google about the history of AI in education, you find out it was first used in 1957. What are different types of AI powered apps or tools for education? There are lots of them, like chatbots, ClassPoint, Kahoot, CurePod, Microsoft 365, Flip, that was called before Flipgrid, ChatPDF, Bing Image Creator, Microsoft Designer, and Magic School AI. Chatbots, it's like a conversation between you and artificial intelligence, but trying to answer your own question in a dialogue or in a chat. These are the most famous chatbots nowadays. Of course, the most famous one is ChatGPT with its different versions. We know that we are having free versions and paid versions. Bard AR, it was launched by Google. You don't have to sign in to use it. And if you, of course, if you sign it, you are going to save your own conversations with your AI. It doesn't have an app to be downloaded on your mobile phones. It only works on the web. Unlike it, we have Bing Chat AI. It has an app. You can download it on your own mobile phone, and you can find it in the browser too. Chatbot AI, it's an app that you can download it on your mobile phone, and it gives you 3 free messages every day. And the last one is POE, Platform of Exploration, and for me it's the best one because it gives you access to different types of chatbots, especially ChatGPT. If ChatGPT is banned in your country, the best way to use it is from POE. And POE can be downloaded on your mobile phone. If you want to get a lesson plan, so type this prompt. Can you provide me with a lesson plan template or suggest outline for teaching the topic, and write the name of your topic and the grade of your own students. Then you will get a full lesson plan about this topic. What about having a worksheet with different type of exercises? So this time type, create a worksheet on, write the topic with a list of number of exercises related to, and set the objectives of your lesson. If you want to use it as a translator for a certain sentence or a paragraph, or if you're having an email in a different language, you may write the language of the paragraph, then the target language you want to translate it to it. As you can see here, if you're having a class with different nationalities, so if I want to tell them to complete the assignment or hand it out to me, I translated the same sentence to different languages. Learning difficulties, if you're having some student with a certain learning difficulties and you want to customize or personalize learning for him, you can do it by using chatbots. If you are looking for an AI lesson generator, CurePod is the right choice for you. CurePod helps you make interactive lessons filled with creativity, reflection, and critical thinking. If you want to engage your students with different types of activities, like if you want to review previous knowledge or want to have discussion questions, drawing prompts, you have a poll about something or a survey or an exit ticket for feedback, there are different types of lessons that you can create it with CurePod. First, you can generate slides. You just type the text or type the idea or the topic you want to discuss it with your own students. Or maybe you're having a PDF or PowerPoint and you want to recycle them and you want to give them a new look and different types of designs. You may use the choice of Curify My Designs. I'll create a new lesson here. As you can see, you have different types of creating lessons and activities. I will choose to create a full lesson. It means you will discuss the topics with different kind of activities. So type here the content or the skill. What about William Shakespeare? And for grade 5. And let's start the magic. As you can see, I have here different types of slides about William Shakespeare's. And I have here open discussion questions, drawings, poll, and you may add different types of activities, or maybe you click on regenerate and get different types of slides. If you like a certain slide, you can click on the plus and add it here, or you maybe add all the 13 slides at once. And you may add a concept or a check-in or a mini project inside your own lesson. When you finish designing your own lessons, you may share it with your own students or present it in your class and give them the pen to engage them and make the lesson more interactive with your students. Flap is the best website for all teachers to help students to express themselves and have voice. Now you're having an AI feature in Flap help you while creating topics and to find the best prompt for it. If you want to start any topic here, you will find next to topic Copilot. This is your AI assistant. First of all, type the title of your own discussions, then choose the range of your age, if this is assigned to elementary students, middle, high, or university or college, or even for adults. I'll choose elementary. Now click on generate ideas. Here is all the magic. Here we have some questions related to our topic summer vacation, like what did you do on summer vacation? Did you go anywhere special? Who did you go with on vacation? All the prompts has been written for me. All you have to do is to adjust the rest of your settings. ClassPoint. It's the best add-in that you will have to insert it to your PowerPoint to make it more interactive with your students and to engage them in each slide. If you like to add questions, slide drawing, ask them to upload their image, if you want to create a word cloud, and many other options. Now you will have an AI quiz generator inside your PowerPoint. All you have to do is make sure that you have signed in with your ClassPoint account. Then when you click on slideshow, you will find in the toolbar here a new option is called AI quiz, asking AI to generate a question. First, they are reading my slide. They have been adding a question according to what they have understood of the text on my slide. So here I'm having a question about what is the purpose of a chatbot: to simulate a discussion with a user, to send automated message to user, to collect user data for marketing purposes, to perform complex calculations. You can check the answer. Yes, it's the first one, that's right. You can save it as slide. So I'm having now a slide with the question, as you can see. And the last option here, you can generate another question using the same text on the slide. So I'm having now another question for the same text on my slide. That's amazing. Who doesn't love Kahoot with its well-known background music? It's one of the most famous websites for gamifications. If you need to create lots of Kahoots and you are running out of time, try AI-powered question generator. Just describe what you want and let the AI do the most difficult part, which is generating questions. Click on Create and choose Kahoot. You will get three options: blank canvas, templates, or question generator with AI. Describe your topic. Just give it a short description. You will get here lots of ideas. How can you write your own descriptions? So I'm going to choose adaptation in animals. For grade 3. So it's better to give your topic a specific grade. Click on continue. You will get now all the questions related to the topic adaptation in animals and for grade 3. Read the question carefully and check its answers, then add it to your own Kahoot. As you can see, it will be added here. Here is another one. When you finish, click on done. And of course, you can add any type of media to your own question. You can change the head of the questions. You can change the answers too. Then save your own code. If you want to create a professional design, of course use Canva. And now it has an AI powered features. Let's try it. You will find it here when you create any design. It's Canva Assistant. It will help you to generate text and will help you with the right pictures for your own designs or ideas. So here I'm talking about chatbots. So he's trying to find pictures related to my own design. And by the end, he's giving me the best picture to match my own design. While making a worksheet for your own students, the most difficult part for me was to find the right pictures or photo for a certain exercise. And I'm still looking and I can't find the exact picture I needed for my own exercise. So I click on images to see all types of pictures here, but still I think they are very traditional, boring for my own students, and I want something new for my exercise. So here you will find create, or maybe you type in the search Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Now type the description of any image you want and you will get it in a few seconds. I'll give you just a simple prompt for that. Just type the adjective first, plus noun, plus verb, plus the style of your own pictures. Let's try it. Based on my description, I have 4 images of dancing pencil in the middle of the class. I may use any one of them for my own exercise or worksheets. Maybe if you don't like it, you change the prompt and click on create again and explore more ideas. All the images that you will create will be saved here on the right. So let's move to another app. What if I want to change it or customize this image more and add text to it or add other images to it? When I click on any image, you may share it or save it or even download it. And we have here another option for Microsoft Designer to customize this image. So I'm having my image here and it's trying to give me different ideas if I want it to be on a Facebook post, an Instagram post, or even a card. You may generate more images or just trying to customize it more. So I will choose this one, customize design. You will get here on the left different other ideas. Maybe you'll have a short video of it, as you can see. So I'll try this one and use the templates here to get more and more ideas, or maybe I add a text to it. You may choose the type of the heading or certain type of fonts here. Let's try this one. Coming soon. I'll change the color. As you can see here, I have another AI feature for inspiration and more of generating ideas. When you finish, you can click here to download it, and of course don't forget to save it on your account, or maybe use AI for getting captions and hashtags to share it on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.